and I just finished a shoot. I'm super hungry. It's Friday in Dubai. It's a holiday, and I'm trying to figure out where should I go eat lunch. And I think I've just remembered the perfect companion to join me for lunch. The good friend of mine, and is an RJ. So he's an RJ with City 1016, which is Hindi radio station in Dubai, and his name is RJ Sid. So I'm going to pick up Sid from his place, and we're going to go for lunch. There he is. Aja. Perfect timing. Hello sir.
Hello sir.
Good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
छुट्टी कैसी थी?
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
बढ़िया, मजा आया?
As good as the car.
भूख लगेगी कि नहीं?
बहुत ज्यादा. चलो. Let's go
eat.
अब मैं तेरे को जला सकता हूँ.
Well, I'm driving the Ferrari.
Damn. You win this round.
पर जाना क्या खाना खाने के लिए वो तो बताओ.
कहीं पे ऐसी जगह पे जहाँ पे अच्छा खासा खाना अपन लोग आराम से बैठ के खा सकें और हर चीज के लिए अलग अलग पैसा ना देना पड़े.
Well, brunch पे चले फिर.
That's good. Let's do it.
There is a new Crown Plaza hotel in Marina.
Okay.
I had the Thai food few weeks ago. Was good. So उनके पास में brunch है.
Okay.
So we can go try that out.
चलो फिर. Let's do that.
So let's go to Crown Plaza Marina. जब खाने को आएगा तभी ट्रैफिक मिलेगा.
आप इको स्पोर्ट के पीछे फरारी को लगाए हुए हैं.
ये फोर्ड और फरारी का हमारा.
अब फरारी दिखाएगा फोर्ड क्या है.
अरे यार कल पता है मैं हम लोग जब शूट कर रहे थे दूसरा रिव्यू हमारा, एक बाइक का बंदा रिफ्यूज टू लीव माय, ही वाज लाइक उसको बोल रहे थे हट, ही रिफ्यूज टू. सुबह को 6 बजे वो भी इज ऑन माय बट. मैंने बोला यार ये कुछ गलती से भी कुछ हो गया मेरे से, उससे तो वो मेरे अंदर है. हाँ. और हमारी बैंड है.
उसका तो जो होगा सो होगा, तुम्हारा और ज्यादा होगा.
उसकी तो जान पे खेल रहा था यार. He was literally on like inches away from me. Like कर क्या रहा है यार ये भाई साहब.
मेरी आत्मा पीछे छोड़ दी है तूने. Very grounded this car.
Very grounded.
Keeps you grounded. It keeps you grounded also.
It keeps us grounded because of the aerodynamics. Technically, I'm flying.
You know, literally in college, हम लोग के पास में 800 हुआ करते थे. And उसमें AC कभी भी नहीं चलता था. हालांकि था वहाँ पे.
But obvious.
But we had to show the girls outside कि हम लोग बहुत cool हैं. तो गर्मियों के अंदर हम लोग शीशे ऊपर करके चलाते थे गाड़ी. And AC नहीं चल रहा होता था. But just so that the girls knew कि इस गाड़ी के अंदर जो बंदा बैठा हुआ उसके बाद AC है. The problem was कि काले शीशे थे. So never ever the girls found out कि अंदर है कौन है गाड़ी के.
फायदा क्या हुआ फिर?
Stupid thinking, no?
Time to eat.
Let's go.
Oof, the lobby is crowded.
How's the food?
Like a papaya.
Is that recording or not recording?
It's recording now.
Now?
आज जो होगा, it is going to be an epic shoot today.
Anyways, how was lunch?
Lunch was good. Cham Thai, right?
Cham Thai.
Cham
yes.
Thai.
Cham Thai.
The one thing.
Yes. Food
Yes.
was excellent.
Food was really nice. I'm not that big into Thai, लेकिन today was one of those days जब पेट भर के खाना खाया. And the one problem is कि जिस दिन ब्रंच हो उस दिन
डिनर नहीं होता है.
2-सीटर में नहीं जाना चाहिए. बैठने और निकलने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है.
वो प्रॉब्लम की बात नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम है ये पेट दिखता है. आपने तो जैकेट पहना है, छुप जाता है उसके अंदर. मेरा I need new clothes.
Oh, seriously. But amazing food. Definitely 2 thumbs up. The guys at Crown Plaza Marina.
Crown Plaza Marina, yes.
Fantastic.
Absolutely excellent food. Starters to dessert and coffee in the end because I needed coffee to wake up. नहीं तो गाड़ी कौन चलाएगा?
Whatever you do, just a suggestion: don't miss out on the welcome drink.
Oh, that was awesome! Phenomenal.
Yeah.
Even if it's mocktail or cocktail, whichever one you prefer, have it and order more of it. Like just tell them, एक और लेके आओ यार, एक और लेके आओ, एक और तो बनता है.
समझ में नहीं आया इसके अंदर कुछ स्पाइसी था, कुछ सावर था, क्या था? एक हमने 3 पिया ऐसा.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Lot of other options as well for the meat eaters. What क्या? Meatarians.
Meatarians.
नहीं यार.
ऐसा मत कर. Meat lovers.
Yeah.
Good choice of food.
Excellent music. The DJ was awesome and she was playing like the banging tracks. तो अगर नाचने गाने का मूड है तो डेफिनेटली जाओ और अगर दारू शारू पीने का मूड में है तो वो भी डेफिनेटली जाके ट्राई करो वहाँ पर, आपको मजा आ जाएगा.
Okay, so when we are in this car, कौन सी वाली गाड़ी के अंदर है हम?
हम लोग हैं अंदर Ferrari Roma के अंदर, which is Ferrari's latest flagship V8 entry level sports car.
Did you notice कैसे ये बोला entry level? Basically saying we can't say it's the cheapest, it's the least expensive. मतलब औकात में ये वाली से शुरू करना पड़ेगा.
Exactly. तो इसकी स्टार्टिंग प्राइस है $250,000 या $250,000 और 850,000 दिरहम्स और ये आपकी बेस प्राइस है. अभी इसमें आप अलग अलग वेरियस ऑप्शन डाल के इसको इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं टू ऑलमोस्ट $1 million दिरहम्स.
बट वी ड्राइविंग अ फरारी. पैसा का बात में करेगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
PHP इंजन उसका बात करेंगे जरा. बताएंगे जरा कितना है इसके अंदर पावर.
पावर इज 610 horsepower from a twin turbo V8 engine. 0 to 100 in 3.4 seconds and it has a new 8-speed dual clutch gearbox. Now for the entire review there will be a pop-up somewhere which will be added by someone, not me. And
क्योंकि ये 3 ड्रिंक्स मार के आए वहाँ.
ये नहीं यार, मैं मॉकटेल पिया, दारू नहीं पिया. Followed by coffee. But there will be a pop-up somewhere here and you can click on that to see the entire review in Hindi or English.
अरे वाह.
Depending on which language you prefer. हाँ. और इसको कहते हैं हमारा 0 to 100. Hey, look at the engine sound. No, that's a Ferrari. You know कि भाई घोड़े लेकर आया है ये आज.
घोड़े लेकर आया.
और पावर हो गया ना. You know जो
हाय खाना खा के आ रहे हैं अभी वैसा बात मत कर. अभी it's fine. सिर्फ कॉफी तूने पिया, मैंने नहीं पिया. Okay, so tell us a little bit more about, because this car, designing के हिसाब से it does not look like a Ferrari.
So that was the biggest controversy that happened when the car was launched. People said it didn't look like a Ferrari, and Ferrari is saying this is our new design language, basically. Target audience ये है कि they expect that all the buyers of the Ferrari Roma will be 70% new buyers. Well, they have never owned a Ferrari before. They will be a first-time buyer for the brand.
Right.
They will be targeting obviously the Chinese market, which is one of their biggest markets,
right?
And Indians as well, because they see a vast proportion of buyers to be women for this car.
Okay.
So this car has been specifically designed to appeal to people who don't want that aggressive looking, very sporty looking, very aggressive driving car.
This suspension is also, it's very unlike a Ferrari suspension.
It's not very hard.
It's not very hard.
It's not very hard. It's not like you're going to feel every bump in the road.
Correct.
It's a very relaxed driving experience. And जब मूड हुआ तो ट्रैक्शन कंट्रोल, जब मूड हुआ तो आप ड्राइविंग मोड यहाँ पर बदली करते हो स्टीयरिंग व्हील पे, जिसको इटालियन में मैनेटिनो स्विच कहते हैं ये लोग, और चलाओ उसको रेस मोड में डालकर.
Alright, so this was the first vlog अपन दोनों के साथ में, and there's a brand new Ferrari which has come out, which is the Ferrari Roma. There's a brand new restaurant which is opened up, which is in Crown Plaza, Dubai Marina में. Both are excellent. जिस पे भी आप पैसा खर्चा कर सकते हो, जाओ.
Exactly. As simple as that. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and let us know in the comments how we did. Because if you guys show us love, we'll be doing more cool cars, more food, more restaurants, more cafe, more fun stuff in Dubai, which is the most happening city in the world.
Until next time, a big shout out going out to Altair Motors, of course, for lending us this Ferrari, and of course to Crown Plaza as well. Bhai sahab, you guys are too good.
Thank you guys. See you guys next time. Ciao.
Oh,
नहीं यार, ड्रामा करता है बहुत ज्यादा.